Okay, so first things first, when you first walk into the apartment, you see this beautiful kitchen, and I absolutely adore this kitchen. I love like the almost island looking counter, and these chairs I actually got from the Facebook Marketplace for only $50. They're usually worth like $150 plus. And then over here, I just wanted to keep it really simple. You're gonna see a theme within my apartment that I just like to keep things super simple, super minimal. I have a nice little oven. We have my basics that I use every single day, which is coffee and a toaster. And then I have this towel to actually use whenever I cook, like to lay the cooking utensil in and also to clean up. And then I have these as decorations. And then I have some HelloFresh cooking recipes, and then I have this for my Ember, which I use every morning. And obviously you can see there's lots of storage. There's a microwave over there, by the way, and there is a fridge, which is very important. And then over here is just some storage space, and over here is just some hanging space where I just like to hang my masks, again, hello 2020, and jackets and purses and all of that stuff. And then here is just a plain, let me turn the lights on, a plain bathroom. This is like the guest bathroom, so there's not much here yet, so gonna decorate more of that later, but just wanted to show you the bathroom right now. Then as we move forward, I just want to show you that we do have laundry unit, which is very important to me. Over here is just kind of like an open space. I didn't want to put anything there because then I feel like it would look too cluttered. And then here's my beautiful living room where I actually spend a lot of my time in. So firstly, I want to note that everything new that I got was actually secondhand from the Facebook Marketplace. So that's really awesome, starting with this rug right here. This was actually from Facebook. I only got it for $50, which is so amazing. Rugs nowadays usually cost like 300 plus, so that was a steal. Then this couch is also from the marketplace. I got it for $700, and the lady said that she originally got it for $3,000, which is so crazy, so that was also a steal. And then these frames, you probably have seen them from my past room tour. These are just recycled from that room, as well as this coffee table and little decorations as well. And then if we look towards this, you can see this huge TV which was actually a gift. So that is really nice. That's probably the only new thing that I have here. And then this dresser is also used from before, so that is there as well. Also, another thing I would love to mention is that I love the openness of the living room and the kitchen, because someone can be cooking in the kitchen, but you can just be chilling in the living room and you can still keep a conversation and keep talking. And then I also love this view. This is one of the main reasons of why I got this apartment. It is obviously super nice to be reading here, chilling, but looking at this amazing view. And then moving on to the balcony, which I adore. It's a little hard to open up, but this is the balcony. It is a really good size, and it is really beautiful outside. I can just go outside, get some fresh air, and just enjoy the view. Okay, so moving on, this is a 2-bedroom. So starting off with the main bedroom, this is my bedroom space. So this bedroom is actually from my old one, as you can see from my other room tour. And again, the view here is just like so amazing. Waking up to this view has been so great. And then I did want to mention this hatch, because this helps me wake up so easily in the morning because it mimics like a sunrise. So you just wake up naturally with this light. And with the sunrise, it mimics like nature sounds. So waking up to this plus nature sounds is so great compared to just like an alarm. So I totally recommend that if you're looking to wake up really nicely. And then over here, I just have my lamp. And then I have a few accessories here. Oh my gosh, let me show you this. This is such like a throwback. This is my old iPod from high school. And I'm so happy I found it because it has just like so many memories, but LOL, throwback. Then moving on, this bedroom has 3 closets, which I love because you can have so much storage in here, which is very much needed. And then moving on to the bathroom, I just have my little scale there. I have a towel, and then I absolutely love this, but this is kind of like a skincare slash makeup organizer. I think it's really cool just to keep everything organized neatly there. And then I quickly wanted to show you guys these hand soap and lotion from the brand Public Goods. They actually sent this in to me, and I just love how not only is it eco-friendly, but it works very well. It's fragrance free, and I also just love the aesthetic. Like, the black and white aesthetic is so perfect, so totally recommend. And then another one of my favorites is this Necessaire, I think that's how you say it, but it is this like body serum, which I really love. And then over here is just toilet, and then my shower, which I love this like marble shower thing going on. And then obviously we have what I use every day in the shower, as well as body wash and all of that. Okay, and then now moving on to the second bedroom is just an office space. So moving on here, this is just where I work, and you can just see my laptop is here. I like keeping this candle so it could smell good, my water or coffee, and then just like a little office organizer. And the best part about this is this view. So it is just great working here. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my apartment tour, and I'm really happy to be here, so I hope that you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments down below if you're planning to move, or if you were to move, where would you move? Because I'm kind of curious. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, and I will see you next week. Bye guys!